Recently, I watched a movie. In it, there was a mountain, both familiar yet strange. It was the renowned Kunlun Mountain. In the movie, Kunlun Mountain was filled with a mystical aura, a gathering place for deities. I've drunk a lot of water that claims its source is Kunlun Mountain, but I still haven't shown any signs of ascending to immortality. So, have I been deceived? Does Kunlun Mountain really exist? I attempted to seek answers through New Bing. It guided me accurately to where Kunlun is located. For such an objective question, I chose the precise mode among 3 new answer modes. Its answer was very detailed, with these specific details. My curiosity grew. What exactly does Kunlun look like? This time, I chose the creative mode. I directly witnessed the mystical Kunlun Mountain. The once vague concept has now turned into high-definition clarity. I think I now basically know where the water I usually drink comes from. So what if I want to visualize the splendid descriptions of Kunlun from ancient texts? How would it respond? It could do it this way, and this way, and even this way. I've experienced the magnificence of traditional culture and also the wonder of artificial intelligence. When a PC is infused with the soul of AI, it's like adding eyes to a dragon painting, turning the ordinary into extraordinary with a single stroke, enhanced further by the power of computing thinking, becoming more animated, intelligent, swift, and efficient, instantly transforming from a tool of productivity into an omnipotent partner and tutor. AI PC is unstoppable, a torrential force in this new computing era. As the world's largest PC manufacturer, Lenovo will embrace its mission, taking part in this glorious journey of technological evolution, integrating into this magnificent progression of technological civilization.